More than 70% of the world's surface is covered by water. In the vast green waters of the oceans, an immense variety of creatures live in harmony with one another. One of these creatures is our cutest friend in the sea, the dolphin. Dolphins are the most intelligent of sea creatures. They are friendly and helpful. They understand commands very well and know how to obey them. Their bodies have been created according to a marvelous design. We always see dolphins at the surface of the water. But they spend most of their lives in the deep. In places where it is very difficult for them to see each other and to find food. But dolphins can see better in the deep darkness of the sea than we can in the light. So, how can dolphins do this? God created dolphins with a complex system that allows them to find their direction by sensing sound waves. Scientists call this system echolocation. To find out how dolphins do this, we have to look closely at their heads. A dolphin breathes through its blowhole, located at the top of its head. Just below the blowhole, there are little sacs filled with air. By making air pass through these sacs, they emit high-pitched sounds. The air sacs act as an acoustical mirror, focusing sound produced by small knobs of fatty tissue just beneath the blowhole. And later, these clicking echolocation sounds are sent out at brief intervals into the surrounding area. Clicks emitted by dolphins immediately echo back when they hit any obstacle. Dolphins listen very carefully to these echoes. These sound waves are received at an area in the lower jaw called the acoustic window. From there, the acoustic information is transmitted to the middle ear and ultimately to the brain for interpretation. Echoes coming from the surrounding area give dolphins detailed information about the distance of objects from them and their size and movement. Because of this system, dolphins can scan a wide area. They can even make a map of the ocean. This is a perfect sonar system, and with it, a dolphin scans the seabed like an electronic instrument. The fact that such a high-tech system has been constructed of flesh and bone and placed in the body of a sea creature is proof of the artistry of God's creation. Modern submarines find their direction by sonar. Dolphins have been using a technology for millions of years that human beings discovered only in the 20th century. It is impossible that a creature could come to possess such a wonderful system through its own will. This incomparable system that dolphins have is proof that God created them. The sole function of this high-frequency sonar system is not to detect objects in the sea. Dolphins also use their sonar system to hunt for food. Dolphins traveling in a group direct these strong sound waves on schools of fish. In this way, they confuse the fish and can easily catch them. The fish are disabled by this wonderful weapon and also become easy prey for seabirds. Dolphins also use their sonar system to send messages in an amazing system of communication. They can even send messages to one another over a distance of 220 kilometers. This means that a dolphin in the Bosphorus can communicate by sonar with another dolphin in the Dardanelles. Dolphins mostly use this wonderful communication system in order to find mates and to warn each other of danger.